Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. Today we're out here at Dustless Blasting Counties in Pukekohe. The Beetle project's just been sandblasted behind us, and we're going to go speak to Daryl, who did all the sandblasting, to see what he discovered along the sandblasting process. So Daryl, how are you, mate?
Good and you, mate?
Good, good. Thanks for joining us on this vlog. So what did you find along the process?
Oh mate, found a whole lot of hidden secrets. Probably every conceivable form of panel beading you could find. With pop rivets, bog, etc. So yeah, lots of rust, lots of holes.
Great.
Swiss cheese.
Swiss cheese. Literally, we should rename the Beetle project just Swiss cheese. Just
absolutely, yeah.
Who you will make a Flintstones cars now, where you can just put your feet through to the ground and start running.
The holes are there to put your feet through already, mate. So by all means.
Oh my goodness! So there's a lot of work that's going to be involved for us, I'm assuming now.
Yeah, heaps of work, lots of metal work to do, cut out. Re-weld, and yeah, that's all up to you now.
Great. Yeah, so I guess as Daryl just said, there's going to be a lot more work involved for us here. There's going to be welding plates, some hack jobs of just pop riveted stuff, a lot of dents. It looks like the vehicle's almost been into an accident. It's definitely had a head-on collision at some point because this whole side guard has just been compressed and disformed. So yeah, I guess let's get it back now to the workshop and start working on it. So as always guys, thanks for tuning into this episode, and we will catch you on the next one. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button, hit that like button, and we'll see you guys next time.